What units to use for cone volume in geometry? Imagine filling a cone with tiny cubes to see how much space it takes up. When we talk about the size of that space, we use special units called cubic units. These are units raised to the third power because volume measures how much three-dimensional space an object holds. In geometry, when you calculate the volume of a cone, you use the formula. Volume equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. Now, the radius and height are just lengths, like centimeters or inches. When you square the radius, you get units squared, like square centimeters or square inches. Then, multiplying by the height, which is in length units, turns everything into cubic units. So, if your radius and height are measured in centimeters, your cone's volume will be in cubic centimeters, written as cm cubed. If you measure in meters, then the volume is in cubic meters, or m cubed. For inches, it is cubic inches, or in cubed. The key is to keep all measurements in the same units before doing the calculation. If you mix meters and centimeters, you need to convert one so they match. Why do we use cubic units? Because volume is about how much space something takes up in three directions: length, width, and height. When you multiply the area of the base, which is a square, by the height, you get a cube. This is why the units are always cubed. To sum it up, the units for cone volume are always cubic units. Whether you measure in centimeters, meters, or inches, the volume will be in cubic centimeters, cubic meters, or cubic inches. Always use consistent units for the measurements, and your answer will be in the correct cubic units. This way, you can accurately compare sizes or figure out how much material you need to fill a cone.